Breaking news mga kabayan, kakapasok lamang po. Nananatili pa ding Senate President itong si Alan Peter Cayetano mga kabayan. Hinggil doon sa mga napabalitang magkaroon ng kudeta. Nagbotohan ulit mga kabayan pero ang lumabas po ay still nananatili pa din ang mayorya sa pamumuno ng Senate President na si Alan Peter Cayetano. 13 versus 11 mga kabayan, 13 and 11 po. So nananatili pa din hawak ng majority ni Alan Peter Cayetano. At ito mga kabayan, kasalukuyan ngayon na nanunumpa na po itong mga judges, senators natin diyan sa loob ng Senado. Pakinggan at panoorin po natin ang video mga kabayan habang sila po ay naka-suspend mga kabayan natin. Ito po yung video.
I state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God. Senator Judge Villanueva.
Thank you, Mr. President. Last Thursday, May 14, 2026, the House of Representatives, through Secretary General Cheloy Garafil, personally delivered to the Senate the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, pursuant to Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 3 of the Constitution, and Rule 4, Section 11 of the Rules of Procedure in impeachment proceedings of the House of Representatives. Earlier today, the articles of impeachment were referred to the Committee on Rules and consequently to the Senate sitting as an impeachment court. Mr. President, the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte with its annexes are now presented to the court for proper disposition and action.
The same is duly noted and made of record. For the record, Resolution number 39 or the Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trial shall continue to apply. We further note that Rule 6